Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. Today is 4th of October 2023 and I will be discussing euro dollar, gold, dollar index, pound yen, dollar CAD, Bitcoin, Australian dollar, CAD, and maybe if I have enough time I will also be explaining these other pairs as well. But mainly in the videos what I usually do is I explain my own method, and with this method no doubt you can apply it on any chart and you can find the correct analysis that is going on in the market. By applying this technique you can very easily identify support level, identify resistance level, and as I always tell you that once you have a support level, once you have a resistance level, then what's left? Nothing, right? So same is the case right here today, and let's have a look at these charts. Yesterday I also gave a daily forecast, and even I gave a pound yen trade opportunity. I want to show you that. So it worked very nice. You can check out my previous video. Yesterday I have uploaded it, so if you check it out, from right here 182.90 we took a sell, then on a break of this we again took a sell and it worked very nicely. So, and there is also one bigger ABCD pattern completed yesterday. So it was a fantastic day, and even the weekly trade is also completed right here near 179, right? So what's next, I also will be discussing that. And if the video length gets a bit too much, try to patiently watch this video because I'm doing it just change your trading lives, right? Because I know traders are having dozens of problems. I have identified some of them right here and I will be making videos on that as well, right? So if someone wants to learn the technique, that person can always make good profits for himself or herself forever and ever. But if we rely on someone else, and if we tell someone else, hey, please give us a signal or something, well, no doubt you have to pay for that, but you will not learn the technique. And I, since the beginning of this channel, most of you will know that I mainly focuses on teaching the method, right? So first of all, I'm going to look at the euro dollar. Yesterday, if you see, even before that, on since Monday we are holding this sell position, right? This one, and not from Monday, from right here we are holding this position very nicely. It is going down, and today I will be finding out where potentially it can go. Plus, if there is any concept that I can explain, definitely I will also be explaining that, because you know I love my audience, right? Because without the audience this channel will be nothing. So this is you who took this channel from 0 to 10,500, and I want you guys to stay with me right here on the channel so that we can build a community. Since it's been quite some time since I'm planning I will be making a group, but when I see that I get very less likes on the videos and I get very less comments on the videos, so then I say no point of making a group. Why? Because if I even make a group, most of you, I'm so sure, will be asking, hey Aftab, give us a signal. So try to be learners, and try to master one technique, right? This market is full of opportunities, right? I repeat, this market is full of opportunities, but this is us who have to identify, who have to find out those opportunities for ourselves. We don't have to just put that sell button or that buy button. We have to understand the way this market is moving, the flow and the rhythm. Those who understood this, 100% you will be successful, right? So I'm deleting this Fibonacci from right here, and euro dollar, it is long term. I have explained it, right? And what I found from the long term analysis is that market is going to take a retest near 1.04249, and it did at, and even we have got a break below the structure as well. Today we have ADP non-farm as well. So if the data comes positive or negative, that can completely ruin this plan. So make sure, if after the plan this setup is valid, or before that it will be valid, so opportunities can be taken. Okay, on the euro dollar, what is going on? I am, since this is a day trading video, so I will not be going into the much details of that. The first thing that I see is market very nicely dropped. Let me show you, very nicely dropped right here from 1.05600, and before that from right here, and we have a sort of a bullish pattern right here as well, if you see, and that has broken. So the first thing is, obviously I will be identifying this broken level support, right? Resistance, this was a support, so for the future it will become a resistance. So this whole area of 1.05 1.05504 and 1.0566 will be a resistance zone with us, right? Because why? Because we have got a break of trend. Now most of the traders, since the long-term traders, they will be taking buy opportunities right here, but I want to tell you that the buying opportunity will start near 1.02. so if we miss it or if we get it, that will depends on the market and the future, and we cannot say if we are going to take it or not, because several confirmations we have to see for that. So this is the H1, and on the H1 this is a breakout level, and the market is clearly bearish. So obviously for the day traders, there will be, if on the daily, monthly, weekly, everywhere it is selling, so for the daily traders it also will be selling, no doubt. Even if it hits the stop loss, we cannot stop it. So there is one thing, and this is the support resistance situation. Now the Fibonacci situation is a bit different from this one, and that Fibonacci situation today will be this area right here, which is a very fantastic 1.05371, and also if I adjust it like this, it will be showing me another retest near this zone. So this whole area, yes, I surely can say is that somewhere closer to this trend line 1.05 is that sell opportunity I am waiting for. Furthermore, for the intraday traders and for those who are looking for buy opportunities right here, well, for buy opportunities, keep one thing in mind, that there is an ABCD pattern we have. Make sure to check out yesterday's video, I clearly discussed it. So this pattern exactly is not yet completed, right? And the market is bearish. So buy opportunity at this particular moment can potentially hit the stop losses. And on the M15 I want to draw your attention to this, and then I will be switching to another time frame. So let's highlight that area from the hourly chart first, and this level is clearly broken with us 1.0498, 1.0488. we have got a rejection from there, and even we have got an ABCD pattern completion from there as well. Just have a look at it, an exact completion. So okay, but on the on the H1, this particular market, if I see, it doesn't make a very good sense to be traded, but still on the M15 quickly someone if want to trade, still this market is nicely bearish. And on this bearish market, remember when the market is dropping, no doubt it is near its support zone, but for the buying opportunities there will be one buy opportunity, but the TP may not be that great in this situation, just around 25 pips. And if this breakout occurs, a retest, and if it go up and closes even above 1.05000, then for sure it will be going back up to 1.05400. so this is the euro dollar daily trade setup, and I'm sure those traders who know how to trade, they will easily manage it. If it start to drop right here, it will be dropping towards 1.04300. these are my levels, right? Tomorrow I will be discussing it with you as well. On the gold dollar, I live streamed it on my regional channel, so those who are interested to join those streams, those are in my regional language, native language, Hindi, Urdu. So what yesterday I said on the gold, I am sure you guys have made good profits. Don't try to hesitate to tell me in the comment section that Aftab, we made profit on this. I'm not asking any money from you, right? Even if you make money, that is your own money, I'm not asking it from you, but at least for my motivation, for my feedback, do let me know that in the comment section. I really need that motivation. And even if you lose, also tell me that, so I know which further improvements are required right here. So this is no doubt on a sell the gold dollar. And on the H1, if we see, there are several levels even from yesterday. The strongest level with me is 1855 till 1860. that is going to be a strong level and a previous breakout level as well. Make sure to check out my yesterday's video. Then there I gave a sell, intraday sell trade. That gave around, yesterday there was a news, but it gave around 136 pips. So I think for intraday traders on gold, this is too much profit. Now what's next? The analysis for this is still the same as I have discussed yesterday, but yes, one thing I definitely will be explaining, and that is on the H1 there is obviously this drop, and on this drop what is happening at the moment is obviously if it gives us a break above 1830, then I see it till 1840 right here is target 1, and 1855 is target 2, and 1860 then looking for a sell. If the market never go back up from right here, a sell trade can be planned once again from right here, and that sell trade will be pointing towards 1805 as target 1 and 1790 as target 2, and for buying level 1790 and those levels, those are long-term positional levels, so those who want to take it may take it. Pound dollar, same situation that I discussed yesterday on as I have discussed it on euro dollar, same situation going on right here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So yesterday when I was running the analysis, it dropped a little bit, then it went back up, and clearly it is consolidating. So for me 1.21200 is the level, and 1.20200 is the level. Now if you are my audience, you should know that how you can trade it, and you should know that this will be then the target one, and the target 2 will be this one, or if it reverses from here with a rejection, then target 1 1.20200. So pound dollar is pretty much simple. I explained it yesterday in detail, so make sure to check it out. Pound yen, I gave a very fantastic trade opportunity yesterday, and let's see if I can find it. There was a trend with us that initially got a little bit broken as well, and I have a video on my channel in which I discussed that how to spot these false breakouts. So yesterday what happened is, since it was trading in this channel right here, you see this one. No, it was something like this. Yes, so it was trading like this, a little bit of false breakout. Why that false breakout? Because we have an ABCD pattern there, point D up there, and the market dropped very nicely, and at the moment it is currently creating lower highs and higher highs and trading in this particular channel. So I today also see a little bit of further drop to the bottom side, and this will be a fantastic trade opportunity if someone can get it. It has a huge wick as well, so this will be one trade opportunity right here, this at this broken level, and it is currently standing there as well. If you specifically see and observe this level, this is a reversal zone, but obviously if it leaves this zone right here, then a retest and 182, and then from 182 a sell trade. Why a sell trade? Because on the long term and the higher time frame, what is going on? This is going on, my friends, this trend line. Even yesterday I discussed it, but this trend line is down. Market obviously no doubt took this support, and now what's next? Definitely if it go up there to our trend line, this will be the master trade. We are again looking and expecting a break below this structure. Dollar CAD broke its level right here, discussed as well, and even it took a retest and the continuation. So I see 1.38547 at the moment for the dollar CAD. Maybe not today, but it may take few days. And if I switch to the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour it seems as it will be coming back down to what level? The first level will be with us right here at a price zone of 1.35386. I'm highlighting it, so it can become a good buy zone and a TP from there. And the other one, the other level will be obviously this one. So let me show you that, so those who have problems may understand it. Right here. Okay, so this whole area between 1.3546 and 1.3514 is going to be a good support, expected support, keeping aside the ADP non-farm data today. So at the moment it's showing a sell on the H1. If we see also, if you see, the market is kind of like a curvy shape. See, curve like this. So 35.5 1.35500 is the support. Some intraday opportunities can be taken right here, and this is it. Bitcoin, I have discussed it on my regional channel. but it completed 1.28 right here. This ABCD pattern I have clearly mentioned it, this one. So I just want to see what it is further going to do. No doubt on the crypto we have to keep in mind that the trend, we have got a very nice rejection from the trend, and it is now going to clearly show me this drop towards, once again towards 23,125. So those who are buying or those who have bitcoins may leave and may buy it from right here. Those who can sell as well, I will be highlighting this area like this, and this is the daily. So switching to the H4 to find out that if there is any sort of trend break that occurs with us, then it will be a nice opportunity with us. And if this is a trend and if it breaks, where will it break to? There will be several levels. This can act as a support, and between these two zones a good sell trade can be planned from 26,800 towards 25,970. So this is Bitcoin, and yes, this is a big trend line. If it breaks above, then the story will be something else. Australian CAD is on a bullish impulsive wave, but keep in mind that the market is clearly dropping right here with a false rejection as well. And at the moment this is showing this thing at the moment, A to B and then C to D right here. If we see, this is 61.8% retracement. So things are moving a little bit on the higher time frame right here, but we have to see and observe the market at this price zone. Don't worry, I'm going to delete some of these levels so that you can easily see. So let's delete this, let's delete this. So for today 87,000 can become a nice sell opportunity with us on the Aussie CAD, and this is going to be a support. So if it break its support today, then obviously it will be coming further back down to take a retest at this nice support right here. So good trading opportunity right here. And even for the buy trade, this level once broken, retest, then this much can be taken. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Remember my friends, try to plan your trades, never ever trade blindly, right? What I have seen mostly is when the trader open his platform, what happens is he or she immediately say right here that okay, what should I do right here? So one simple question, and if you understood this thing right, I'm telling you this thing because you are from the start till now you are with me in this video, that's why I'm telling you. If you understood this thing, you will be forever and ever successful. When you open a chart and the market is trading like this and you see this candle and you say, what should I do now? Shall I take a buy? You should ask yourself, where is the major trend? The major trend obviously is down. Okay, the market is going back. Since the market dropped from there, created this lower low, so the market is going back to take a retest from there. So a sell trade you have got from that point. Another thing, you say okay, I want to take a buy since we have got a good rejection from the support. If you miss this from right here, no doubt, no problem. And if you see this, you say I'm going to take a buy, then buy it. But when will you buy? What confirmation you will need? You will, my friend, need this confirmation. You have to wait for the market, then a retest and the continuation towards that. Now in some situation, if the breakout occurs, it straight go up there. In that situation, don't try to chase the market, just wait for your sell trade then, because at a time one trade if you take and that give good profits, that's fine. So from 87,000, luckily if it can go up there today, will be giving us this and this. I know you know how to trade these levels I'm giving you, and obviously a breakout, retest and the continuation towards 85,800. So this is a daily forecast. I hope you make lots and lots of profits. Do keep me in your prayers, right? And one thing, I really need your feedback on my videos, whether that is positive, whether that is negative, whether that is positive criticism, whether that is negative criticism. Show yourself up in the comment section down below. I'll be waiting for it. This is around 10 a.m. right now, and we have the whole day. Today I have just 2-3 meetings, and after that I will be replying to your comments, and those who belongs or those who understand Urdu, Hindi, because I have subtitles as well on those, so you can join my live streams. The link will be given in the description. Thank you so much for your time. Looking forward for your positive feedback. Goodbye.